guys, thank you for tuning in to Crafty Girls DIY. So I must say I truly missed you guys and wanted to do something for the 4th. Now I accidentally deleted my first part of the video, which is my wreath. But I want to share with you how I'm creating my garland to go over my front door. You will need some ribbons of your choice. So I'm going with this one, which came from Joann's Fabric, and the rest came from the Dollar Tree. So we're just going to take our ribbon and cut them down to size. You will need some twine, and mine came from Walmart, which you get a generous amount for $2.98. So we're going to go with that because I need a long, generous piece to go over my front door. So once you've gotten your strips, you want to create some tassels to go at the end of your garland. Guys, I must say this is a very easy project. Once you've attached your tassel, you're going to begin to tie all your ribbons and make sure they're close, pretty nice and snug to each other so you have a full look for your garland. Now you want to make sure that both ends of your garland look similar to each other, because once you hang it, everyone will be able to see your pattern. So make sure they mimic each other. So if you've been with me for a while, you know I have a Christmas tree that I leave up all year. I want to take this Dollar Tree foam stars and create some ornaments to go on for the 4th. So you will need a needle. Now I'm going with this plastic one, and I hauled that from Walmart. You'll need some Dollar Tree yarn and these stars, which came from the Dollar Tree as well. Just basically take your needle, or if you have something that's sharp, you can go ahead and pierce the foam. It's very easy to do, to create a hole that you can string your yarn through. You will also need your scissors and your glue gun. This next DIY is going to be a star wooden bead garlands. This is a tabletop garland, and you will need some yarn. You'll need some wooden beads of your choice and a wooden star. Now, I decided to go with the napkin from the Dollar Tree with the stars on it. I am going to use the blue star that is on the napkin, so you will need your scissors to go ahead and cut out your star. You will need your yarn, scissors, glue gun, glue sticks, and spray paint. Once everything is painted, you'll need to add a hole to the wooden star. You can use your scissors or you can use a knife just to add the hole to string your yarn through. Now this step is optional. I want to add the small star, so I went with the glue gun and glue sticks just because it's quicker, but you can use Mod Podge glue if you prefer. I must tell you, I absolutely love the way that these DIYs turned out. Very nice. Now, I love the garlands. They are my favorite. I just love how full it looks. And I do love how simple, inexpensive the ornaments for the trees are. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. I love the way it is. Now, this small garland, I didn't think it was going to be as adorable as it turned out. I love the way it looked. As I mentioned earlier, I lost the footage for the wreath. Now, I must tell you, I love how simple, inexpensive they were. Did not take much. I just went ahead and broke down my Easter spring wreath and redid them with some of the Dollar Tree flowers. And went ahead and add this God Bless America sign from the Dollar Tree. I love the way that all the DIYs turned out. I must say this is a Crafty Girl DIY for the 4th. Hope you like the way that everything turned out. If you do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and share the video with your family and friends. I hope you are getting ready for the 4th because it's right around the corner. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you on my next DIY.